Hi, welcome to Catarix. Today we'll make this example on Solidworks by using some features like boost extrude, cut extrude, mirror and rip feature. So let's start. As usual, we are starting from a plane to make a sketch. Here I will start with top plane. Then I will start drawing a rectangle 75 millimeters by 56 millimeters. Then I will go to features and select extrude. I will extrude it by 18 millimeters, then OK. Then in top plane again I will choose a sketch and draw a circle up there 36 millimeter, and distance from the lower edge is 100 millimeters, and center of the circle and origin, they are vertical on the same line. Then I will go to extrude, but I will not extrude from here. I will extrude offset from top plane by 36 millimeter. I will extrude it by 25 millimeters. Then I will draw a sketch in right plane. I'll make a line here and to rectangle here, 36. And make it mid plane 12 millimeters and OK. Right plane again, I want to make a rib from here to here. Go to feature and select rib, make it 12 millimeters and OK. Now I will draw on the surface sketch. I will choose a circle and draw it by 22 millimeters and go to feature and select cut extrude through all and OK. On the surface I will choose a sketch. I will make a rectangle from here to here. Its height is 6 millimeters, width is 32 millimeters, and from this right corner it's 12 millimeter. Then I will go to features and select cut extrude, choose it through all. From top plane I will draw sketch circle on the right side. I will add dimension to the sketch, 12 millimeter. From the right side it's 15 millimeters. And from the lower side it's 28 millimeters. I will extrude cut in the other direction and through all, and I will make mirror for the circle. Choose a sketch around right plane. Here we are. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it for daily SolidWorks examples. Bye.